independent artist passive income. This one screen right here shows you my publishers. And as you zoom in, you see I got a payment there. Right now my royalties are there. We're going to go over here to my writers and publishers. This is with CD Baby. As you see. Now we're going to go over here to membership. As you see. See these two numbers? That means I got a writer and a publisher's account. So if you're an independent artist and you want to build some passive income, and how you build your passive income is by owning your content, owning your music. If you're releasing singles at a time, if you release an EP or an album, if you put it on the right platform, if you pay for the right promotion, the right packages, however you want to go, TuneCore, they got so many different ones right now out that they got a lot of good ones. So it's all on what you want to pick. I mess with CD Baby and TuneCore. So those are the two that I actually network with. It just depends on what project. I got projects on different ones. So my personal opinion, if your movement is really growing and you don't need any type of push at all, then I will go with TuneCore because you're going to get all of your royalties. With CD Baby, you get help here and there as far as putting you out there on different platforms, but as long as it's alive on their platform, they receive royalties off of the music too, just like you do. But it's a small amount, but you you don't get the full deal because the way that they host it. Normally it's a one-time fee too, so keep that in mind. Normally it's a one-time fee. But if you're going to build your independence to get your passive income, remember this. It takes money to make money. You have to do the work first. And then as you start working on it, investing your time and your money into it over time, it gets better. Like literally it does. It gets better over time. So just wanted to say, make sure that you get your writers and publishers. Remember that. Writers and publishers. I think it costs maybe $100. But that will be the beginning of your independence, being an artist. Make sure I got mine off for ASCAP. You can go through BMI, whatever you want to do. I think ASCAP is good for writers and publishers, in my personal opinion. Everybody different. So, like I say, there's many different things you can do, many different ways you can network. But the most definitely, I would say that in order to gain your passive income, you got to put the work in. Put the work in. And then you'll start accumulating and then just keep dropping. You know, you just got to stay consistent. Keep it out there. Don't worry about the numbers. Allow it to do what it do. You don't know who might like what you got going on. Just keep working on it. Keep improving it. Keep getting better. And you will build that passive income bag. Like I said, I'm still working on mine. I have pushed off and did other things, but I'm still working on it. And I have seen the growth. I have seen what I shouldn't do. I have seen what I messed up on, what I need to keep on. So it's all a process, especially when you're independent. But learn from your mistakes. Learn from those who actually want to see you do better, not just grease that pocket. So let me say that you want to build your team that genuinely, authentically mess with your movement. You just don't want to just pay people to be in your circle, because when you start doing that, they just around for the bag. So you want people that really genuinely say, hey, I like what you got. Yes, it costs this much, but I'm willing to help you with it. You know, I'm willing to network with you because I like what you got if you're going to put your own bag in it. So it's all about supporting yourself. That's how you're going to gain your independence. That's why I'm an independent welder, because I believe in independence. And I stress that in my hashtag, welding and hip hop. So for those who are familiar with it, follow the hashtag, man. Follow the hashtag welding and hip hop, the hashtag Black Indie Welder, because I'm giving a lot of information. Like I say, I'm an artist. I'm a independent contractor. I'm a welding engineer, fabricator. So I enjoy the field completely. But as an artist, you know, I want to see us win. I want to see us enjoy what we do. You know, and it can work out. It can pay you. We can get the income we want over time. But if you just really love the art and you want to express it and you want to be a part of it, there's many ways to do it independently. Like I say, technology has took off to a whole nother level. So if you got a little money, you can actually invest your money to get yourself in a better position for as an independent artist. So just wanted to give you some updates on that and say those are a few things you want. You want to have your writers, your publishers, so that way you can start obtaining passive income. HogOn.